Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google Ads campaign structure with WordStream. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log in to your WordStream account. Select the Google Ads campaign you want to update. Navigate to the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Click on the specific campaign you wish to modify. Review the current structure of your campaign. Identify areas that need improvement or restructuring. Go to the Ad Groups section within the campaign. Decide if you need to create new ad groups or adjust existing ones. To create a new ad group, click the Add Ad Group button. Give your new ad group a relevant name. Set a budget that aligns with your overall campaign goals. Next, move to the Keywords section. Add new keywords that match your updated ad group strategy. Make sure to remove any underperforming keywords. Check the match types of your keywords for better targeting. After adjusting keywords, go to the Ads section. Create new ads or modify existing ones to reflect changes in your ad groups. Ensure your ad copy is relevant to the keywords in each ad group. Next, check the ad extensions you are currently using. Consider adding new ad extensions for improved visibility and engagement. Once all changes are made, review your entire campaign structure. Double-check for any errors or missing elements. Finally, save your changes and monitor the performance regularly. Adjust your strategy based on the performance metrics you observe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.